What's up, y'all? My name is Chris Williams, and I wanted to quickly share more income proof from My Six Figure Feeder. It's the front end product of the My Six Figure Blueprint. Now, there's no way to guarantee income, but I can show you what's possible. Okay, it's only $15 to get started, $15 one time, and you have the ability to earn higher commissions as well. There's no monthly fees. You can earn unlimited $5 commissions, and it's a 2-tier comp plan. So if you look here, you have 3 different payments at $5. So there alone, I've already earned back that one-time payment of $15. Okay, now if we go over to the full overview, you'll see what you get with the six-figure feeder, which is 100% resale rights to the six-figure feeder, access to a password-protected back office. You get 2 landing pages with Smart Capture technology, 7-day follow-up series, so you don't have to worry about writing emails or anything like that. Access to the Project Instant Pay podcast. What that is an hour and 27-minute training from a 6-figure earner, which is also the creator of the system. He basically takes his 10 years of experience and condenses it down into an hour and 27-minute training. You have the 6-figure roadmap, 50 ways to market any business, and welcome banners for people that join with you. Okay, now the cool thing about the system is that you can start with the feeder if you like, or you can go all in and start with the business builder package, which is $400 one time. Okay. Personally, what I did was I went all in, and basically I lead with the feeder system. Okay. Going all in would allow you to earn $300 payments and $50 payments from people that you refer. Okay, without pretty much doing anything. Okay, so if you're looking for an automated system with leverage and no monthly fees, I do have the website linked below. Please hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.